Hi, Cerbat Rams.
Today we're making slime.
This is a slime that we've already made. We're using this color slime kit, Elmer's glue, to make slime. So, you could use any glue that you want or the color it gives you. Okay, we're going to use white glue. You need 5 ounces of glue or 1 whole container. Okay, so step 1, pour 1 container or 5 ounces of Elmer's color glue into a container. So, pour some in. All right, you could pour in some and then hand it to Zoey to do the rest. All right, and I'll do the whole rest. There's still a lot in this.
Yeah. It's taking forever.
Hey. Okay, that should be good. There's another. I'll try to squeeze out the rest.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot in here.
Sorry.
Let's see. Let's use the stirring stick. Let's get all the rest out.
It's upside down.
Stirring stick is
upside down.
Okay, so that's good. Now it's step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of Elmer's liquid glue and mix. Then add 2 more tablespoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix. Magical liquid is the activator.
Can we add that glitter to these slimes too?
So this is the magical liquid of activator. We're going to add 2. So pour that in. All right, now another one.
That's okay, we have another Elmer glue.
Okay, now pour that in, Zoey.
Okay.
Good. Okay, so we're all going to take turns stirring it now. I smell ranch.
Because it looks like ranch.
What if it's cheese?
What? You're weird.
All right, Evie.
Your turn. You gotta hold the bowl so it doesn't fling on me.
Looks like that.
It still looks like white slime.
Kind of looks bubbly.
Sticky.
Ooh.
Ooh, still sticky.
Ooh.
All right, let me see. All right, so that's pretty good. It says, so after adding 2 tablespoons, then add 2 more tablespoons. Should be good. Okay. It does smell like ranch, I gotta say.
I say it smells like ranch too.
Yeah, it does smell like. It smells like glue.
Is it my turn? No, I'm just kidding. You started.
No, I'm kidding.
Don't do it so hard, Evelynn.
It's kind of starting to get well, so I'm going to pass it to Zoey.
Let me see how good this is going.
Still sticky. Ooh.
Okay, Zoe. Hold on.
Okay. All right. So in our previous slime, this is what it should look like. After kneading, it shouldn't be sticky
If
at
you
all.
mix it, it looks like those two.
And it shouldn't be sticky at all. It shouldn't stick to your hands. And if it does, maybe add like half a tablespoon more and just keep kneading. More of the activator. You could add any like stuff to it, like maybe beads or glitter. In ours, we're gonna add some glitter. Yeah, you could add anything to your choice.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so
Let's make a glitter. I have like 100 million slimes in my house. But right now, I'm at Evelyn's house, so
okay, that's good.
let's spread it out and flatten it out so we can get glitter in it.
All right,
My
just get a
slime's
pinch.
sticky.
This is glitter.
My hand got stuck.
Ooh, too much. That's okay.
Shake it up.
All right, just fold both sides together and then get all that. It's glittery.
Yeah.
Shocker.
Please do this on a careful spot to do it.
Yes,
Because
that's where
it's very messy.
Yes. Don't do it on your floor, because then you'll get slime all over your floor.
Yeah. If you see our cat sleeping over there,
You can see her.
she's on the chair.
And make sure before making slime, you should always ask for a parent's permission or help if you need it.
Yeah.
No.
We don't need help though.
Yeah, because
Okay, we do.
she is here.
All right.
Bye.
All right, this is what the slime should look like, and we hope you like this video. Bye, Cerbat Rams.
Bye,
Bye,
Cerbat
Rams.
Rams.